Organizing your rake, shovels, and gardening supplies has never been easier. A Lifetime outdoor storage shed is the perfect solution for your storage needs. The 7x7 foot shed comes at an exceptional value and gives you that extra space necessary to keep your backyard looking good. The spacious 42.5 square foot interior and heavy-duty construction makes it perfect to store your outdoor supplies. The 7x7 shed was engineered specifically to bring you high-quality materials for the best value on the market. It includes 2 lockable shatterproof windows, 2 screen vents, and 1 skylight that runs the full length of the roof. The full ridge skylight allows natural light to illuminate the interior of your shed, making it easier to find tools or other items. To help organize the interior, it comes with 1 30 by 10 inch shelf and 2 corner shelves. The steel reinforced doors create a 4.5 by 6 foot high opening. Our sheds are specifically designed to have more headroom through the entrance than any other sheds on the market. And with our lockable doors and internal latching mechanism, your items will be safe and secure. All Lifetime storage sheds have additional shelves and accessories available for purchase, allowing you to get creative with the interior of your shed and customize it to fit your needs. Constructed of UV-resistant, high-density polyethylene, Lifetime's outdoor sheds are low maintenance and will not warp, crack, chip, or peel. All roof, wall, and floor panels are stain-resistant and easy to clean. The UV inhibitors make Lifetime sheds resistant to heat and extended exposure to harmful UV rays. So put away your buckets of stain and paint. Lifetime sheds require no special maintenance to look as good as new year after year. Lifetime sheds use blow molding technology, which allows the walls, roof, and floor to be double-walled for added strength and durability. Many companies only use injection molding, which creates weak single-wall construction. Our double-wall sheds also have heavy-duty steel reinforcements on the walls, doors, and roof to ensure ultimate strength and durability. Our superior construction makes Lifetime sheds stronger than any others on the market. The high-pitched steel reinforced roof provides a 6.5 foot interior height from floor to truss, making it easy to walk around, stack boxes, and store pretty much anything. Lifetime sheds are not only built for strength and durability, they also have an attractive appearance and design to accent the beauty of your backyard. So let a Lifetime shed be your gardening and storage solution. With this durability and good looks, it'll be the envy of your neighborhood.